Hi there! So Fire-Boltt has been killing it off late with their pocket-friendly yet premium smartwatches. And adding to the list is their newly launched Fire-Boltt Dominian. It comes with everyone's favorite AMOLED display. Then we have an all-metal build, there's Bluetooth calling, there's sports modes, there's health tracking, the works. And it's priced at just, you know it, don't you? Just $24.99. Already killer on paper. But let's see how it stacks up in reality. Now, we have two units with us of different colors. Let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Let's begin. So this is the retail packaging. We have one black variant and we have one golden variant. Let's quickly open it up. We'll start with the gold. You can see the image of the watch. Some features mentioned at the back. You can see the QR code for the companion app. You have the manufacturing details and the MRP of $21,000. But don't worry, you can get this for a lot lesser. So inside the box, right on the top is the watch itself. Then you have the user manual, warranty card and some coupons. Then you have the strap adjustment tool and a pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. Now here is the black variant, though we know the contents are going to be exactly the same, but still let's quickly check it out. So we have the watch, we have the user manual, warranty card and the coupon codes, strap adjustment tool and the pogo pin charging cable. So first thing, you got to make sure to remove the plastic from the straps. This is basically there to prevent the watch straps from getting scratched during shipment. Alright, let's have a closer look at the built-in design. We'll start with the gold variant and there you go. Wow, that's a really nice looking gold. The first thing that you notice is that it comes with a matte finish, so it won't attract fingerprint or smudges. Looks very eye-catchy. Now this is an all-metal smartwatch, stainless steel straps, metal frame, metal watch, looks super premium. Now the other thing to notice is it comes with three crowns, one on the top, one at the bottom and one in the center. The center one has the Fire-Boltt logo, which I think also looks really nice. The quality of the straps is really good. Now as you press this button, the straps will open. The back is made of plastic and it houses the heart rate sensor, SPO2 sensor and the charging terminals below. And on this side towards the right is actually the speaker, which is going to assist you for phone calls. It's a little hard to see, but the speaker is there. Now these straps cannot be replaced yourself like we pull the hook mechanism. You will have to go to the watch store to remove these straps, but I don't think you would even need to, so that should not be a problem. Overall, the build quality is really good. Let's quickly check out the black one and let's get rid of the screen protector. Wow, the matte black looks really nice. It's a little hard to see because it doesn't reflect as much light, but it's actually a very premium looking watch. Similar design, three crowns here. Stainless steel straps, again matte finish, very well built. And here towards the back you can see the sensors, the charging terminal, the speaker is here. Very well built watch, the quality is really nice. So which one would you pick, the gold or the black? Now when I wore the watch, it was definitely too loose for my wrist, and I know there are a lot of people who like to wear it like this, which is fine. Now to adjust the length, we use the strap adjustment tool, wind it inside the small hole on the strap, pull out the blocks. Now let's attach it. There you go. Now this fits perfectly on my wrist. So if you find it difficult to do it yourself, I suggest you go to the local watch store and ask them to adjust it for you. The Fire-Boltt Dominian comes with IP67 rating, so it's safe to wear at the gym, for a run, in the rain. But I won't recommend you wear this watch in the pool as it lacks any kind of swim tracking. Also, who's going to wear a metal watch like this in the pool? Very unlikely. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. Now as you press this button, the display will wake up, and this is a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. It's a really high resolution display, which is why even the smallest text is so clearly readable. Then of course, AMOLED display, which means super vibrant colors and pitch perfect deep blacks. I know a lot of you want to know about the bezels. Well, this watch goes edge to edge, leaving zero black lines and bezels on the side. It's amazing. Of course, you can tap on the display to change some color options, and my favorite part is you can rotate the crown to change the watch faces as well. Check that out. There are a couple that come pre-installed, and now here you can see the display goes edge to edge, leaving zero bezels. Looks really nice. Check that out. And of course, like I said before, you can tap on them and you can change the watch faces as well. Let's quickly check out the interface. So swipe from up to access the quick toggles. You have do not disturb, you have phone calling, you can adjust the brightness from here, you can go into the settings, health monitoring, display screen, and if you go in here, you can change the watch faces, the brightness level, screen on time. Then there's menu style, so you can choose from list style, board style, planet style, whichever you want. Then there's always on mode as well, where the display will always show the time. You can turn it on from here, you can turn it off from here. There are 2 analog watch faces and 2 digital watch faces. You can choose either of them. But keep in mind, turning always on mode on will drain your battery a lot faster. Then of course, if you go back, you have switch. Oh, by the way, you can also scroll using this crown, which is always handy. Then of course, you have switches, notifications, language, app QR code, system. So you have power off, factory reset, device info. Press this to come back to the home page. Then swipe right, you can access the widgets. Swipe from down to access your missed call alerts and notifications. Press the center button to access the menu. You have workouts, heart rate, blood oxygen, activity, sleep tracking, blood pressure, blood glucose, MET, breathe app, phone calling, notifications, music app. Then you have cycle tracking, which is menstrual cycle tracking for women, camera shutter, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm. And yes, you can set the alarm directly from your smartwatch, which is always handy. Then you have the torch, find my phone, voice assistant. There's a calculator app, which always comes again very handy, and the same settings which we have already explored. Then from the home page, if you swipe right, you can access phone calling. You have your daily steps and activity, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood glucose, blood pressure, blood oxygen, the weather, and you press this button, come back to the home page. Overall, the interface is really smooth and easy to use. Let's quickly check out phone calling. To make phone calls directly from your smartwatch, swipe right, you'll see keypad, you'll see contacts, you'll see call history, which is going to keypad and randomly dialing a number and clicking dial. There you can see the phone call is being dialed. Now the audio that you're hearing right now is from the watch speaker, which I think is really loud and clear. After you're done talking, simply end the call directly from here. Super convenient. And similarly, you can also receive incoming calls directly on your smartwatch. Firstly, there's a ringtone that you can hear, there's a vibration alert, then of course you can see the caller's name, you can silent the incoming call, you can reject the incoming call, and you can answer and talk directly using a smartwatch. It's really helpful. And of course, you can control the volume of the speaker, you can end the call, you can mute the microphone, all directly from your watch without even touching your phone. Let's talk about the calling experience. Now the speakers on the watch get loud enough to be used indoors as well as outdoors, unless you're in a very noisy environment. The other person also had no problem hearing me and didn't complain of any echo or disturbance, which means the mic on the watch also do a really good job. Coming to the fit and comfort. So the metal straps provide an extremely good fit and the watch truly feels premium. The design is truly eye-catchy. Yes, it definitely leans towards being a little heavy, but still can be worn comfortably all day. But of course, this might not be the most convenient watch to wear at night to track your sleep. Coming to health monitoring. So we first tested the heart rate, then tested SpO2, and finally even blood pressure. Now as you saw, we got the readings for all, but I always say this, use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. So coming to fitness and workouts. To access workouts, you can either use the top button or you can even use the bottom button. Right here you can see running and walking. When you click on it, you'll see more options: running, walking, treadmill, indoor walking, trail running. Similarly, if you go into cycling, you'll see outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, mountain cycling, BMX. Then in outdoor, there are more workouts like mountaineering, hiking, rock climbing, fishing, indoor dance, combat, ball sports. If you come into ball sports, there's soccer, there's beach soccer, there's basketball, volleyball. But what surprised me is that this watch doesn't come with any kind of water tracking. So technically, I won't recommend you wear this watch in the pool. Apart from that, it does have all its basic workouts. About 40-50 workout modes are available. Coming to the battery. So the Fire-Boltt Dominian comes with the 300 mAh battery that would easily last you about 5 to 7 days with typical use. But keep in mind, if you're using it for Bluetooth calling and always on mode is turned on, then expect a maximum of 1 to 2 days. Let's have a quick look at the H-Band Lite companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see the dashboard, you can see the steps taken, the workout information, your sports, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood oxygen levels, blood glucose levels. If you come to the second option, workout, you can actually use the GPS of your phone for your outdoor workouts like running and walking. Just you have to click on this play button. It will check your GPS and your workout will start. Comes very handy. Then if you come into mine here, you can see that the watch is paired. You can also choose from which app you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then alarm settings, sedentary reminders, heart rate alert, you can turn this on, but remember this will drain the battery a little faster. Raise to wake the display, pair the device. Bluetooth calls can be turned on and off. Dial settings are basically watch faces. There are a couple that come pre-installed, and if you come on this last option, and this basically is the dial market from where you can download a couple of more watch faces, and there is a long list which you can definitely check out. Then find your watch, you can save your favorite contacts, blood pressure private mode, blood glucose mode, screen on time can be set, duration of time, weather settings, switch settings, shake to take photo which can be really handy. There is a firmware upgrade, factory reset and reset. Overall a really simple and easy to use app. The only con that I see is that you cannot share your data with Google Fit or Strava. Alright, final thoughts. So first ask yourself, what do you want in a watch that's priced at just $24.99? Premium metal build, you got it. AMOLED display, it's here. Bluetooth calling, you got it. Some sports modes, yes, it takes everything. The Fire-Boltt Dominian is easily recommended. I share the links of all its color variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.